Guys, these are the whales. This one is massive, so what we plan to do is I'm gonna fry them in this.
Bake them or fry them?
I'm gonna fry them, babe.
You can fry in this? I didn't know you could fry in that.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so.
I have never seen anyone fry anything in this. Okay, I'm going to learn something new today too, guys. So we're going to see. It won't burn? Wow.
Not ready yet.
Hey guys.
Hey, beautiful.
Babe is back in the kitchen.
Yeah, guys, you know me I give her some Elcha style fry fish and festival today, you know? Yes, that way I work, but
I love my fish.
I'm working on the pickle now, guys, so that's what we're doing. You know our boy.
So you're going to put it in here with vinegar, is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a vinegar dressing like with my pimento seed and my sugar, my salt. Yeah. But I'm not gonna cook these. I'm just gonna put these in this.
Yeah.
And then guys, so hear what beating me. I can't get no Scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm gonna use the jalapeno. I think nothing is wrong with using the jalapeno. So this is what I'm gonna use to put in.
I didn't know. No, I don't think it's called
It's a
jalapeno.
good substitution. It's not jalapeno, baby?
The green one is jalapeno, but that one is maybe the red version. I don't know. Something. I never seen red jalapeno, but maybe. It's hot anyway, right?
Should be.
So, babe, you got shark today or what?
Yeah, it's some shark, but it's some bigger shark. I haven't worked on them yet, but I cleaned them up. So I'm gonna work on those pretty soon. So, yeah, stay tuned for that.
I know it's tilapia now. You can never, ever, ever fool me ever again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This basically gonna vinegar water I'm gonna use for pork into this. And when you make this, baby, you can serve for a long time. So just pour it over it. I'm sorry, Dad. You sorry, cause sorry can do it for me, baby.
Watch out, it might copyright you.
Are you singing,
Every time I sing on here, they copyright me. I'm like, come on, guys. I don't sound like the original. Like, come on. We're not even allowed to, like, sing. Oh my-
Nothing, sorry.
Sorry. What's Raj doing? You know what Mommy and Daddy said, right? What do we say? I said, no toys in the kitchen. You want Mommy to trip up in it and hurt herself? No. He loves playing with his toys. And he's been right into watching Cars lately, so.
Okay, and this one's better.
Yeah. You got all your toys lined up. He loves playing with his toys. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Looks pretty heavy.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful, so you can serve your lifetime there. Never have to make what this for now.
For a while. So what's all in here? Pimento seed, sugar, and oil, or vinegar.
Pimento seed, sugar, salt.
Oh,
vinegar.
salt, right.
Yeah. Should be good. I'll pour this on the fish. Nice. Pour this with on this. We're not gonna boil it right up. This way. I'm gonna make it hot.
I remember the last time you made it, it was so hot, spicy hot.
Yeah,
Is it gonna
because
be that?
We had the right pepper in it, but no.
I don't like it spicy
just
like that. It's too hot. I
It's
remember.
not gonna be that spicy now. Baby.
Oh, good. Good. Mm-hmm.
So guys, these are the whales. This one is massive, so what we plan to do is I'm gonna fry them in this. Give me a bit of-
Bake them or fry them?
I'm gonna fry them, babe.
You can fry in this? I didn't know you could fry in that.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so-
I have never seen anyone fry anything in this. Okay, I'm going to learn something new today too, guys. So we're going to see. It won't burn? Wow. Okay. Let's see. I'm always learning something new.
Always with me, hey?
This is your special seasoning.
Yes, you want to get all the creases, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are all the seasonings in your secret seasoning?
I told you already. I don't remember now. I made this one a long time. But I did told you in previous video, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
This one make a long time, guys, so I don't quite remember what was in it, but I know this blend was absolute superb, so I'm using it back. Yeah, I want my fish, so I get some nice scores. I want it cooked right through. Yeah. My vinegar dressing is complete, guys, so I'm gonna pour it in. A little bit more vinegar in it, so ain't nothing wrong with you just pouring it like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the dogs downstairs barking, guys.
So see? We have pickle, baby. Pickle.
Nice.
Yeah,
And by the time the fish is,
can be used.
yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
can be used.
By the time the fish is cooked.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, so what is it you're doing here now?
Babe, this is a festival, so.
Okay.
Remember the last time I gave you fried dumpling?
Yeah.
No, this is festival, but I won't make a whole lot because you guys won't eat a whole lot, but
Okay.
you guys will eat the food, so.
So flour.
Yes, I'm making a dry base now with a little cornmeal. Not a lot because you see the cornmeal to me, you get it heavy, so you just need a little bit.
Okay.
Because it's like festival, more like a corn taste, right? Really a corn taste, but a light and nice, flavorful taste. That's what I'm doing. With sugar in it. Put like maybe like this of sugar. So, then I'm looking for salt. Probably like a pinch or 2 pinch of salt, really. You want to ensure that you dump enough flavor, so that should be good. And then this.
Baking powder.
Yeah, bacon. And then guys, what we use is the cold water. So we're not gonna use any water, we're gonna use cold water to mix this in.
And a little bit of vanilla, and that's it.
Yeah, I don't have like, you know what would be nice if you have like vanilla lasco. And I don't have any. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tip a little bit of this while I'm kneading it. I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla in it.
I do have vanilla oat milk and vanilla creamer.
Could use that too. Magic. Okay. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I get some, my wife introduced this creamer. I'm gonna do it to create some magic. I mean, in the kitchen you're a scientist, right? So we're gonna do it and see how it turn out with this. And I have some cold water here. So let's go on. We need to mix this as light as possible because we need our dough light.
So the ingredients in this one is milk, cream, and vanilla. So we'll see. I might do what is the other one called? Look, what's the stuff you guys use in Jamaica?
Oh, lasco.
Lasco. Why can't I remember that? Lasco. Yeah. So Lasco is like a vanilla powdery.
So this it all boils down to how you mix it to it. Because if you mix it hard,
Yeah.
then you get like a hard texture you don't want. So you have
Right.
to mix it as light as possible. And
Okay.
this is cold water, guys. So yeah, you need to mix it as light as possible, and then I'm gonna make it rest for a minute, and then we work on the fish. Yeah.
I think if you work on it a lot, it disrupts the baking powder. That's why it comes out hard. My friend Sharon told me that the reason when you put baking powder and baking soda in it, you can't stir it hard because I don't know, it does something to it so that it doesn't make it light and fluffy. It's the same thing with tea biscuits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you make tea biscuits, sometimes they're hard as a rock. It's because you maybe kneaded it too much or yeah. Or mixed it too much or whatever.
Yeah. Well, she will see this video and then comment and tell us.
Yeah.
So you're never too big to learn. That's one thing I have said. Growing, you're never ever too big to learn. Yeah. This could make us a couple festival.
Yeah.
So
I'm excited. I try to go gluten-free as much as I can, but guys, it's so hard when you got a Jamaican husband who makes really good food. How are you gonna go gluten-free?
gonna make it marinate and stuff. So when I'm finished with it, how I'm gonna roll it is with the
Roller?
no, I'm gonna put flour in it and then I roll it.
Oh,
Yeah. So guys, it's actually finished now. So I'm gonna make it rest for a minute and then work on the fish, and then we can come back to this.
okay. So garlic and hot pepper in the oil. Okay. And some pimento seeds.
This is the moment of truth.
So we didn't get this part on but there's a little tag on the bottom that if you're going to do this, make sure you take that off. And it was burning. I was like, what's going on? But we didn't put it on the video. Pardon? Yeah, we didn't see it, yeah. So if you're going to use one of these guys, just make sure you remove the white price tag off the bottom or it will burn. Look how perfect this fits the fish. It's awesome.
Yeah, guys, I want a crispy fry, so hence the reason why I go for this. But let's see.
And this is for the festival, okay. Okay, so you're adding a little bit more flour here. Okay. So guys, when we came home from Vancouver, we all got a cold, a really bad cold.
Oh my god.
It was, so we did not do any vlogging, so it's been a few days since we did a vlog, but Rajero was sick, Babe was sick, I was sick.
I think it's Rajero bring it home because he came in the bed. One day we were there and he came in the bed.
Yeah.
And he sneezed on me, and ever since he sneezed on me, it was like...
Go away from the stove though, because it's hot, baby.
Ever since he sneezed on me, I get instantly, I was sick, and then Babe came home and I'm like, Babe, Rajero is sick, so be careful. And then she got sick, so all three of us, but...
And then my daughter got sick, so
the
it's
thing
like...
is, they find the patience to make some soup.
Yes.
So that bring me back, that helped bring me back, but she find the strength. I never had the strength, man. I was out of it, so.
And as I was making it, I was thinking I should be vlogging this. We're all dying with a cold. I made a really nice pot of soup with ginger and onion and garlic and turmeric and pepper and squash or pumpkin, you guys call it, and green onion and thyme and oregano and, you know, just all the good stuff. Kale and spinach and chicken, and yeah, we were all just drinking soup for a couple of days. But anyways, we're back at her, guys.
Content creating, see that? But every video is a back. Some of them say it, but what we are going to do? Yeah, I didn't. I just go and work again. I saw it come on. We got this. See, I tell you this in a work, okay? I get to work safe. I saw it go live. You know? Just feel to the way you go again tomorrow. Don't get the complicated, you know?
Life has its ups and downs. Some days it works, some days it don't. You're actually handling life pretty good, baby. I'm a little surprised.
You know me, when I go to work, I just go to work. But guys, this was a fail attempt. So yeah, they gotta just wait on a video, man.
Ireland boss, and me represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?